everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jessica, also known as Chic Professor on Instagram, and I make videos on luxury goods, the pre-loved market, and workwear. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be all about unboxings. I am unboxing two bags today, not one, but two that I just purchased and just arrived 10 minutes ago, and I'm really excited to unbox them. So both of these bags are from Rebag, but bought through Tradesy. So Rebag is a website, and they actually have 2 or 3 actual brick and mortar stores as well, and they allow you to consign bags to them, I believe, and they sell them at discounted prices. So they are already a great consignment option. And then they sometimes list their bags on Poshmark, Tradesy, and I believe eBay as well. So I bought these off of Tradesy, 1, because I had Tradesy money that I wanted to use, but 2, because of Tradesy's policies. If I don't like them for any reason, I can return them free of charge, and I can also get them authenticated through Tradesy free of charge. So those were 2 really big bonuses for me. I'm hoping I love them both, but just in case I don't, I have that backup. Generally, because these sites like the Poshmark, Tradesy, eBay charge commission, Rebag's prices are higher on those sites, which makes sense. However, this one was not the case. In terms of the Rebag sites, they're usually a lower price, but then they have $20 of shipping, and that's their minimum price, and so that definitely can make an impact into the total cost. But also, these ones were on sale on Tradesy, so Rebag allowed Tradesy to run them on sale, and then Tradesy was having a discount code promo, so I not only saved 15% off of their Rebag price, which already dropped it down to below what they had on the Rebag store, but then I also saved an additional amount based on the discount code. So I'm super excited to unbox them, and I hope that I love them both. So let's go ahead and get started. So they both came in these big giant boxes, and we will see what it looks like inside. I have never bought anything from Rebag, I don't believe, before, unless I happened to buy something off Posh or Tradesy and didn't realize that that's where it was from. So I have no idea how packaging will look. Okay, so packaging actually has the same look as their logo. It's got this yellow and this black, just this tissue paper, so we'll start from there, and I have no idea which bag I'm going to open first. Okay, so I've got this tissue paper and the bags in here, and then there's also some nice protective bubble wrap inside the box. So here we go with the tissue paper. It's just kind of falling off, so I'm just gonna kind of pull the bag out, but it looks like it's gonna have a dust bag. It's quite bright. Quite a bright dust bag. And then it's pretty big, and it's got some ribbons on it, so that is nice. So it really looks like, I would assume this is exactly how it would look like if it came straight from Rebag. Since it did come straight from Rebag, it was just sent through Tradesy. Okay, so we're starting with Fendi, which is, I think, the appropriate one to start with, so. So pretty. Okay, so this is the Fendi Du Jour bag in the larger size. It's actually the medium size. I think there is one larger size. It has the Fendi tag, which is not monogrammed. A lot of people put their initials on this, so I'm glad that that didn't happen. And it has the gold plating here, and then the sides are a nice, really soft pebble leather, but the front and back and handles and the base are all a nice sturdy Saffiano, which is great. I love this color gray. I'm super pleased with the color in person. I think that that's beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, and then it opens this way. I'm not going to do any full review or anything because I obviously haven't used these bags yet, but I am, the thing I'm most curious about is to figure out if a folder fits inside, so I brought one up with me. So like Fashionphile, they use their own dust bag, but then if it comes with a dust bag, that is inside. So here is the Fendi dust bag. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. And let's see if the folder fits. Okay, it just fits. Oh my gosh, I'm thrilled. It fits, and it fits without sticking up high. I will have no problem clasping. I've even got an inch or two to spare, which is exciting. It definitely only fits in this largest part, and I kind of have to move it around slightly, but I've got multiple folders and they'll have no problem fitting on one side, and then the other side will be really easy to use for all my other essentials for work. And in fact, this is probably exactly the side I'll use because I'll want to keep the slip pockets for my keys and that sort of thing. And then I've got this inside pocket, which I can also use for keys, wallet, whatever I want that to be. And then it has the strap, which isn't very long, but will definitely be able to fit on my shoulder. It's so pretty. I'm really, really pleased with it. I think the condition is really good. It's definitely as good, if not better, than it was described to be. I love that it has feet on the bottom. Pleased with this one. Okay, I'm excited to open the next one. So I assume the packaging for this is gonna look exactly the same, so I'm just gonna go through this quickly. Huge boxes. So pretty. This is, I've said this before in other videos, that I'm always on the search for the perfect professional red. This is it. This right here. This is the color. This is perfect. I love it. I also really like the silver hardware with this red. I think that that's really pretty. It's got some weight to it. It's a little bit heavy, and without having a shoulder strap, I may notice that. I can fit it on my shoulder, but it doesn't really want to stay. So something to keep in mind. Red is not going to be an everyday bag for me. It's going to be one I use occasionally when I want a pop of color. And so I think it'll be fine for that. It's not going to be super loaded up, and I'll just choose not to wear it on the days where I have to carry a lot of extra. It definitely has lost some structure. The Fendi's actually in better shape. But I expected that to happen, and I may just need to stuff it or put an organizer thing inside of it to help. But this is the, just haven't even said, this is the Prada twin bag, the twin queer bag, and in this beautiful red color. It's got the place, it's got the Prada on this side, and then I can put an ID card or a luggage tag in there. But what I love about it is it closes on the top, and that is obviously not something I have with my current Prada bag. I also have the ability, if I do want to carry it on my shoulder, to put the two straps together, which is going to make a big difference to carrying that. Here is the inside. So again, it has a little bit of stuffing. It's got the tag in terms of the little like Prada number tag is in the pocket. I can see that really clearly. It has the dust bag, and ooh, it also has something from Rebag. So let's see. The other one, maybe it was inside the zip pocket and I just didn't open that. So this has, oh, this is so nice. So it has a Rebag number, but it also has like their serial number, and that it was certain that it's certified by Rebag. So that's great to have if I ever decide to sell it. I'm really excited to have that. And then otherwise the inside has a zip pocket, two slip pockets, and then it has this padded pocket. So I'm going to try my folder again. The folder fits no problem, which is great. It actually even probably has an inch more it could go on the side, so if I ever need to carry something even larger, a laptop or whatever, that would be really easy to carry. It has really a very similar structure to the Fendi, and it's a big bag. It's really large. Like, there's a lot of room in here, which is nice. It's black inside. It's got the leather trim, but it's black inside, so some things will potentially get lost, but that is okay. I am really pleased with it. I think that it is just stunning, and hopefully with a little bit of stuffing and maybe a base shaper, it will get a little bit more stiff. But honestly, I kind of also like having it feel a little more casual. I don't have to baby it quite as much, so that is really nice. So it's beautiful. I'm so excited about both of these. So inside the Fendi one, there was also a Fendi ribbon, which was nice, and then the same card from Rebag, which is really great to have. That I think that's really nice for if you are someone who tends to resell like I do. So it says the Toujours handbag, leather medium, certified by Fendi, certified by Rebag, and then it also has the serial number in there. So that's so nice to have. I'm really, really pleased with that. In general, I am really happy with both of these. I think that they were packaged nicely. They came in definitely the condition that was described, if not even better, and all was good, and they were shipped really quickly. Everything was great, and I got a great price on them, so I'm really, really excited. If you have any questions about either one, let me know. I will do a review after I've used them for a little while, but if you want a comparison between like my Prada Luxe tote and this one, I might do that as well as a review, or maybe just put together in one video, so let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like and consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in a future video. Thanks again. Bye.